The versatile Angelica plant, nature's medicinal marvel. Angelica, also known as the root of the Holy Ghost, is a revered herb with a rich history and an array of medicinal properties. Proper identification of this plant is crucial due to its similarity to other species. Understanding its distinguishing features, habitat, and harvesting methods is essential for safe and effective use. Legend of the root of the Holy Ghost. Legend has it that an angel appeared in a dream to a monk, revealing the medicinal properties of a plant. The monk, guided by divine intervention, discovered Angelica and named it the root of the Holy Ghost in reverence to its purported miraculous healing abilities. Angelica was also believed to ward off black witchcraft and evil spirits. Proper identification and distinguishing features. Angelica archangelica, is a tall, biennial herbaceous plant characterized by its stout, hollow stem, large umbels of white or greenish-yellow flowers, and aromatic foliage. It can grow up to 6 feet in height and is often found in damp, wooded areas and along riverbanks. Habitat and growth. Angelica is native to Europe and Asia, but has naturalized in many other regions, including North America. It thrives in cool, temperate climates with rich, moist soil and partial shade. The plant typically grows in clusters and produces flowers in its second year of growth. Since it is a biennial plant, Angelica dies after it sets its seed in its second year. The fruit of the Angelica plant are small, oblong, and pale yellow. Each is roughly 4 inch in length when ripe. It's important to note that the information shared in this video is for education purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider who has knowledge of complementary medicine before trying anything new. Harvesting and medicinal use. The medicinal part of Angelica is primarily the root, although the stems, leaves, and seeds also possess therapeutic properties. Harvest the root in the fall of the plant's first year or the spring of its second year. It can be dried and used in teas, tinctures, or powdered form. While all the parts of the herb are usable, they need to be harvested during certain times of the year. The roots are best harvested in the fall or winter of the first year. The stem and leaves are best in the spring or early summer of the second year, before the flowers appear. Edible use. Angelica has a long history of culinary use, with its stems and leaves often used to flavor beverages, confections, and liqueurs. The candied stems are a popular ingredient in traditional European desserts. The root is rumored to be poisonous when fresh. It must be dried and preserved first for medicinal use. Medicinal benefits. The entire plant is used medicinally. Leaves, stems, and flowers are crushed and used in a bath or as a poultice. The medicine from the roots is best extracted using alcoholic tinctures. Additionally, the roots can be dried and then powdered for medicinal use as well. Angelica offers a wide range of medicinal benefits. 1. Respiratory issues. Acts as an expectorant, helping to alleviate coughs and congestion. 2. Digestive aid. Soothes digestive discomfort and promotes healthy digestion. 3. Stimulates appetite. Boosts appetite and aids in digestion, making it beneficial for those with poor appetite or anorexia. 4. Intestinal infections. Exhibits antibacterial properties that can help combat intestinal infections. 5. Nerve and joint pain. Provides relief from nerve pain, joint pain, and rheumatic conditions. 6. Anti-seizure effects may have anticonvulsant properties, potentially beneficial for managing seizures. 7. Sore throats and mouth sores. Offers relief from sore throats and mouth ulcers when used as a gargle or mouthwash. 8. Menstrual issues. Regulates menstrual cycles and eases menstrual cramps. 9. Acne. Possesses antimicrobial properties that can help treat acne and improve skin health. And anxiety. Acts as a mild sedative, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. 11. Cancer. Studies suggest Angelica may have anti-cancer properties, in particular against breast cancer. 12. Antifungal, effective against certain fungal infections. 13. Improves circulation, enhances blood circulation and cardiovascular health. Warnings and precautions. 1. Allergies. Individuals with known allergies to plants in the Apiaceae family, such as celery, carrots, or parsley, may experience allergic reactions to Angelica. 1. Anticoagulant medicine. Angelica may enhance the effects of anticoagulant medications, increasing the risk of bleeding. 1. Diabetes. Monitor blood sugar levels closely when using Angelica, as it may affect blood glucose levels. Angelica, with its storied history and myriad medicinal properties, remains a cherished herb in traditional and alternative medicine. Proper identification, cautious use, and respect for its potency are essential for harnessing its healing potential safely and effectively.